Join me as I dive into the mystery of how our solar system comes alive, and I'll try to explain it all in just 10 minutes. Our solar system, a vast expanse of celestial bodies that's been fascinating humans for centuries. But have you ever stopped to think about how it actually comes alive? I mean, think about it, our solar system is a dynamic, ever-changing place, where planets orbit, asteroids collide, and stars are born. It's a complex, intricate system that's full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Understanding our solar system is no easy feat. With so many complex interactions and processes at play, it can be overwhelming to wrap your head around. From the formation of planets to the life cycles of stars, there are countless factors that contribute to the ever-evolving nature of our solar system. And that's what makes it so captivating. There's always more to learn, more to discover, and more to explore. But with great complexity comes great challenge. How do we even begin to make sense of it all? One of the biggest hurdles to understanding our solar system is the sheer scale of it. I mean, we're talking about distances of millions of miles, timescales of millions of years, and energies that are almost unimaginable. It's a system that's both beautiful and brutal, where the laws of physics reign supreme and the rules of chaos often seem to apply. But despite the challenges, scientists have made incredible progress in unraveling the mysteries of our solar system. From spacecraft that can travel to the farthest reaches of the universe to powerful telescopes that can peer into the hearts of stars, we have an arsenal of tools at our disposal to help us better understand this cosmic dance. So, what does it all mean? How do we take these complex interactions and processes and turn them into a coherent picture of our solar system? That's a question that scientists have been grappling with for centuries, and one that we're still working to answer today. But as we'll see, the answers we do have are pretty amazing. The formation of our solar system is a story that's still being written. We know that about 4.6 billion years ago, a giant cloud of gas and dust collapsed under its own gravity, eventually forming our sun and the planets that orbit it. But what we don't know is exactly how that process played out. Was it a slow and steady process, or was it a violent and turbulent one? These are questions that scientists are still working to answer, and the discoveries they're making are nothing short of revolutionary. Take, for example, the discovery of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than our own. This has opened up a whole new frontier in the search for life beyond Earth, and has forced us to re-examine our assumptions about the uniqueness of our own solar system. The sun is the star of the show, quite literally. Without it, our solar system would be a cold, dark, and lifeless place. It's the source of energy that powers the Earth, that drives the climate, and that makes life itself possible. But the sun is more than just a source of heat and light, it's a dynamic, turbulent ball of energy that's constantly in motion. From sunspots to solar flares, the sun is a complex and fascinating object that's still shrouded in mystery. And yet, despite all we've learned about the sun, there's still so much we don't know. What drives its cycles of activity? How does it impact the Earth's climate? These are questions that scientists are still working to answer, and the answers they're finding are pretty surprising. Gravity is the glue that holds our solar system together. It's the force that keeps the planets in their orbits, that holds the moons in place, and that warps the fabric of spacetime itself. But gravity is more than just a force, it's a mystery that's still waiting to be fully understood. Take, for example, the phenomenon of gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime that were predicted by Einstein but only recently confirmed. This is a discovery that's opened up a whole new window into the universe, and has forced us to re-examine our understanding of gravity itself. But here's a surprising fact: did you know that the sun's gravitational pull is responsible for the Earth's tides? That's right, the same force that holds the planets in their orbits is also responsible for the daily rise and fall of the sea. It's a reminder of just how connected our solar system is, and how the forces that shape it are always at work. And speaking of surprise, a recent discovery has shed new light on the solar system's vitality. Scientists have discovered that the sun's magnetic field is much stronger than previously thought, and that it plays a crucial role in shaping the solar system's structure. This is a finding that has major implications for our understanding of the solar system, and one that's forced us to re-examine our assumptions about the sun's role in it. As we've seen, our solar system is a complex, dynamic, and fascinating place. From the formation of planets to the life cycles of stars, it's a system that's full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And yet, despite all we've learned, there's still so much we don't know. The intricate dance of celestial bodies, the gravitational forces that shape it, and the solar activity that drives it, all of these factors combine to create a system that's truly alive. So, what do you think is the most fascinating part about our solar system? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about space exploration, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be diving into the latest discoveries in the field. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.